Happy birthday sa iyo, Ate Audrey, and wishing you very healthy and good health, and more birthdays to come, and always na mag-iingat ka lagi at gabayan ka ni Lord araw-araw. Thank you, and more birthdays to come.
Hi Audrey, happy birthday and more blessings to come. Good health always and more power to your YT channel. And thank you sa laging pagsuporta sa akin. And although kahit na minsan di ako nakasupport back, pero again, happy birthday and more birthday to come. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday!
Hi Audrey, happy birthday. I wish you all the best in life. Stay healthy and keep safe always. Miss you.
Hi guys.
Hi.
Just wanted to take a moment to say happy birthday.
Happy birthday, baby Audrey.
Yes, baby Audrey. And hope you have a special and wonderful day.
Sorry about the people in the back. We are on vacation. We're now in Bangkok. And
Just a
wishing
quick
you
hello.
really safe and healthy birthday.
Happy birthday, baby Audrey.
Bye-bye.
Miss Audrey, maligayang bati sa iyong kaarawan. God bless you always. And stay healthy. Kapag tayo medyo nagkakaedad na, alam natin na kailangan natin halagaan ang ating sarili. I know na although yung edad is nandiyan, ano lang siya, number lang siya, hindi siya yung kung ano man yung iniisip natin dapat maging gano'n na tayo matanda. Hindi, yung age is just a number, sis. So I hope na ganun ka sa iyong nararanasan or nararamdaman. Thank you so much sa iyong support din sa aking channel, sa kay Geniuski, kay GTV Nature, and also I hope sa aking coming channel soon. So thank you, Sis Audrey. Thank you so much. And may you have many more birthdays to celebrate with the YT Barkadas and everyone na namimit mo dito sa YouTube. Stay safe and God bless you always, sis. May you blow your candles, many candles to come. Bye. Thank you so much.
Hello, good morning. Happy blessed birthday, Sis Audrey. At sa lahat ng Tiwaya the Parkads, sa lahat ng support nyo, maraming salamat. At nandito po ako ngayon para batiin si Sis Audrey ng happy blessed birthday. May you have more birthdays to come. And God bless you always.
Hi Ate Aubrey, happy birthday, more blessings to come.
Sa pinakamaganda kong ate Audrey, happy birthday to you, ate. More blessings to come and more birthdays to celebrate. Ayan, good health, and of course, long life, and stay pretty as always. I love you, ate. Ingat ka palagi.
Ate Audrey, happy birthday to you! Andito ako para bumati sa'yo ng happy birthday. Kasi lagi mong pinapaalala sa akin na huwag akong mawawala sa birthday mo. Kung hindi, sasakalin mo ako. Cute na cute ako dyan pag sinasabi mo yan sa akin. Hindi naman ako mawawala, ate. Ikaw pa, love na love kita. Maraming salamat, ate, na naging kaibigan kita. Pinapasalamatan ko si Lord na naging kaibigan kita. At para sa akin, hindi lang kita naging kaibigan. Para na kitang ate. Yung pinapayuhan mo ko, nag-uusap tayo lagi. Yan. And salamat sa pag-unawa mo, ate. Salamat. At dalangin ko ay ikaw ay laging maging malusog at happy lang sa masaya. Happy birthday, ate. Mwah.
Ayan guys, magandang araw po sa inyo lahat, no. Gusto lang po namin matiin ni Mama Mary Jane Max Vlog, ang si Ate Audrey, the Various Explorer ng kanyang kaarawan, no. Happy birthday po Ate Audrey, at more blessings to come, and happy new year na rin, no, sa inyo dalawa dyan mag-asawa, at ingat po kayo palagi, good health, and God bless, more blessings to come. Sa muli po, happy birthday.
Hi Ate Audrey! Happy birthday and God bless. Salamat sa masipag naming ate. Sana lagi kang masaya at malusog everyday kasama si Kuya Frank. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday Ate Audrey! More blessings to come, more birthdays, good health. Yan. Salamat sa laging pagsuporta sa YP Barkadas. Thank you Ate Audrey. We love you.
Love you Ate Audrey. Happy birthday again. Happy birthday. Sa'yo ang inuman, sa'yo ang kainan. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. God bless. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday Ate Audrey.
More birthdays to come and health.
1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday
to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Ate Audrey. Happy birthday, Ate Audrey.
God bless.
God bless.
Enjoy.
More cake to blow. More candles to blow.
3.
Happy
birthday, Ate Audrey.
More
Birthdays to come.
Always good health.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday,
Ate Audrey.
Happy birthday, Ate Audrey.
God bless.
God bless.
Bye-bye. Enjoy.